Hey everyone! Welcome back to Mr. Talksy Channel, your favorite place to learn real, simple English through fun and natural conversations. I'm Emma, your host, and today we have a really funny and relatable topic.
Oh, I can already guess. This one's gonna be good. Hey guys, I'm John, and if you've ever lost your phone, even for 5 minutes, you know that feeling of panic.
Haha, exactly. You suddenly feel like your whole life is gone. So today's topic is lost phone drama. We're going to share a funny story about losing and finding a phone, and maybe teach a few useful English phrases too.
Yeah, so relax, grab a cup of coffee or tea, and listen in. Let's start.
So, John, tell me honestly, have you ever lost your phone?
Oh, Emma, too many times. But there's one day I'll never forget.
Okay, this sounds like a story. What happened?
It was a normal Saturday morning. I woke up, made some coffee, and went for a walk in the park. The weather was perfect. Sunny, warm, birds singing. Everything was nice.
Sounds peaceful so far.
Yeah, and I was feeling great. I even stopped to take pictures of the trees and flowers. You know me. I love taking pictures.
Yeah, you post like 50 photos of clouds every week.
Ha 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 ha, guilty. But anyway, after walking for a while, I sat on a bench and listened to music on my phone. Then, after maybe 30 minutes, I stood up and went to buy an iced coffee.
Okay, let me guess. You left your phone on the bench.
Exactly. But I didn't realize it.
Oh no.
I went to the coffee shop, ordered my drink, sat down, and started reaching for my phone. And that's when I froze.
That moment when your hand touches your pocket and it's empty?
Yes, I was like, wait. No, 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 no. I checked all my pockets. Jacket, jeans, even my coffee cup.
You checked your coffee cup?
I was desperate, okay?
That panic is real.
I felt like the world stopped for a second. You know that cold feeling in your stomach?
Yeah, like your heart drops.
Exactly. I was sweating, shaking, and my brain went, that's it. My phone's gone. My pictures, my contacts, my games.
Forget the photos. You were crying for your games.
Hey, I worked hard on those levels.
So what did you do next?
I ran back to the park. Like literally ran. People were staring at me like I was in a movie scene.
Like slow motion with dramatic music.
Exactly. I went to the bench, and guess what?
Please tell me it was still there.
Nope. Gone.
Oh no.
Yeah. My heart sank. I looked around. Nothing. So I asked a few people nearby, hey, did you see a black phone here?
And what did they say?
One guy said, sorry, man. I didn't see anything. Another person said, maybe someone took it to the lost and found office.
That's possible.
So I went there. The lady at the desk smiled and said, describe your phone, please. I said, black phone. Little cracked on the corner. Has a sticker of a cat on the back.
A cat sticker? Really, John?
Hey, don't judge me. It's my lucky cat.
Okay. So did she have it?
Nope. She said, sorry, we don't have any phones today.
Oh no.
So I went back to the bench and started thinking. I was like, okay, John, breathe. You can do this.
You were giving yourself a pep talk.
Totally. I was like, okay, let's use technology. Let's track it.
Oh, like using Find My Phone?
Exactly. I borrowed someone's phone and logged into my account, and boom, the map showed my phone was moving.
Wait, moving?
Yeah, it was going down the street.
Oh my gosh, someone had it.
I was like, do I chase them? Do I call the police? Do I become Batman?
I am Phone Man.
Ha 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 ha, yeah, exactly. But then I realized the phone stopped moving. Right near a coffee shop 2 blocks away.
So you went there, right?
Of course, I ran again, sweating, breathing hard, heart pounding. When I reached the coffee shop, I looked around and saw this little old lady sitting by the window.
Oh, I see where this is going.
She had my phone on the table.
No way.
Yes. She was just sitting there, calmly drinking tea, with my phone right next to her purse.
So what did you do?
I walked up to her and said politely, "Excuse me, ma'am, is that your phone?"
And she said,
She looked at me and said, "Oh dear, I found this on the park bench. I was just about to turn it in."
"Aw, that's so sweet."
Yeah, she was super kind. She said she saw it lying there and didn't want anyone to steal it.
That's really nice.
So I thanked her like 100 times. She smiled and said, "Next time, young man, keep your cat sticker close."
That's adorable.
I was so happy. I almost hugged her.
Aw, I love that story. It's so real and funny. You know, losing a phone really shows how much we depend on it.
Yeah, it's like a part of our body now.
Totally. When you can't find it, you feel lost. Not just because of the phone, but because everything's inside it. Messages, pictures, your whole life.
Right. But I think it also teaches a small lesson. To slow down a little.
That's true.
We're always rushing, checking messages, scrolling, taking pictures. But maybe sometimes we should just enjoy the walk without thinking about the phone.
Exactly. And also, maybe buy a phone case that's bright orange so it's easier to see next time.
Haha. Noted. No more black phone on black benches.
Smart move.
Okay, Emma, your turn. Have you ever lost your phone?
Oh, yes. And it was so embarrassing.
Ha 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 ha. I'm listening.
It happened in a grocery store. I was shopping, listening to music, and talking to myself a little. You know, thinking about what to buy.
Ha ha ha. Talking to yourself?
Hey, everyone does that. Anyway, I finished shopping, went to pay, and when I reached the cashier, I couldn't find my phone.
Oh no.
I looked in my bag, not there. I checked my pockets, nothing. Then I started to panic. I thought, did I drop it in the fruit section?
Classic panic moment.
So I went back to the fruits, checking the apples, the bananas, even the shelf. People were watching me like I was crazy.
Ha ha ha. I can imagine.
And guess where my phone was?
In your cart?
Nope. It was in my hand.
Ha 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 ha. Wait, what?
Yes, I was holding it the whole time.
Ha 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 ha. That's the best kind of lost phone story.
I felt so silly. The cashier saw me searching everywhere and said, "Ma'am, is that your phone?" pointing at my hand.
Ha 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 ha. Oh no.
I turned red like a tomato. I said, "Oh, yes. Thank you."
That's amazing. So you didn't lose it. You just forgot you were holding it.
Exactly. Classic Emma moment.
I think everyone's done that at least once.
Yeah, phones, glasses, keys. We humans are just forgetful sometimes.
So what's the lesson from today, Emma?
Maybe 2 lessons. First, don't panic too quickly. Sometimes your phone isn't lost, it's just hiding.
Or sitting in your hand.
Exactly. And second, be kind like that old lady. If you find someone's phone, try to return it.
Yes, that made my day. It reminded me that there are still good people in the world.
That's true. A small act of honesty can make someone really happy.
And maybe save them from a full emotional breakdown.
Definitely.
So guys, next time you can't find your phone, take a deep breath, retrace your steps, and maybe check your hand first.
Yes, always check your hand. All right, friends, that's it for today's episode of Mr. Talksy Channel. We hope you enjoyed this funny conversation and learned some new English words and phrases.
If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because we have many more fun English stories coming your way.
And if you've ever lost your phone, tell us in the comments. We'd love to read your story.
Thanks for listening, everyone. Stay calm, stay kind, and keep your phone safe.
Bye, everyone. See you in the next Talksy Talk.